It certainly does. And that's just what Chris was saying, is that if you hold the things till the last, the most important, you don't have time for it. I think it also depends on some of the personalities, because if you have people who are dominant in there, they don't want to do those things. If you have people who are influencers or the high yellows in there, yeah, they're all for this type of thing to have fun. But the other personalities aren't. So you, as a leader, have to make a balance there between what you're going to do.
You want, when you come into a meeting, it should be an even playing ground. We all understand the hierarchies outside of the room, and the boss and the admins and the vice presidents and stuff like that. But if you really want to make good progress with the meeting, ask everybody's opinion, right? When you step into a meeting, you take your jacket off, you take your name tag off, you take your status off. We're all in the meeting, not necessarily when you're out and about and you're trying to get work done. I always kind of look at a meeting, everybody's on the same level, and then how you interpret that and how you implement that outside of the meeting room, that's totally different, right? It might be somebody else's responsibility, but everybody has good ideas. It doesn't matter where you're ranked in the company.